If you are over 60, I want you to look closely at your fruit bowl. You've been told for decades to eat your fruit to stay young, but here's a warning most doctors won't share until it's too late. One common fruit in your kitchen right now is quietly marinating your liver in fat. It's causing that stubborn belly fat, the brain fog you can't shake, and a level of exhaustion that no amount of coffee can fix. In 2026, we're seeing a silent epidemic of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease in seniors who think they're eating healthy. At 30, your liver was a high-performance engine, but after 60, it's a finely tuned machine that handles sugar very differently. Today, I'm exposing the 3 healthy fruits that act like a metabolic wrecking ball to your liver, including one superfood that is actually harder on your system than a fast food cheeseburger. But don't worry, because I'll also reveal the 3 miracle fruits that can actually help repair the damage and flush out toxins. To understand why fruit becomes a double-edged sword after age 60, we have to look at how your body handles sugar. When you eat glucose, the sugar found in bread or potatoes, every cell in your body can use it for energy. But fruit contains fructose, and your body handles this very differently. Fructose can only be processed by one organ, your liver. Think of your liver as a busy customs office. When you're 30, that office has plenty of staff to process incoming fructose and ship it out as energy. However, as we age, our metabolic efficiency drops. By the time we hit our 60s, our liver's processing staff has thinned out. If you slam your system with a high fructose fruit, your liver can't keep up. Instead of turning that sugar into energy, it takes the shortcut and converts it directly into palmitic acid, a type of saturated fat. This fat doesn't just sit there, it wraps itself around your liver cells, leading to inflammation and what doctors call fatty liver. This is especially dangerous for seniors because it's closely linked to sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. When your liver is clogged with fat, it struggles to manage insulin, making it nearly impossible for your body to send protein to your muscles to keep them strong. This is why you might feel your legs getting weaker even if you're walking every day. But here is the real kicker. It's not just what fruit you eat, but how you eat it. Now that we understand how the liver gets overwhelmed, let's identify the specific culprits. The first danger fruit is actually a category most seniors view as a health snack: dried fruits, such as raisins, dates, and dried cranberries. When water is removed from fruit, the fructose becomes highly concentrated. One handful of raisins contains roughly the same amount of sugar as a full can of soda, but because the fruit is small, you likely eat 2 or 3 handfuls without thinking. For a senior liver, this is a sugar napalm strike. Without the hydration of the whole fruit, this concentrated fructose hits your portal vein instantly, forcing your liver to transform that sugar into fat reserves almost immediately. If you have a bag of these in your pantry for snacking, you're essentially feeding your liver candy under the guise of health. The second culprit on our list is overripe tropical fruits, specifically mangoes and pineapples. While these are delicious and packed with vitamins, they are also nature's highest sources of glycemic sugar. As these fruits ripen and develop those brown spots, their starch converts into pure fructose and glucose. For a 30-year-old athlete, a mango is a great energy source. For a 70-year-old with a slower metabolism, it is a recipe for insulin resistance. When you consume these high glycemic tropical fruits, they cause a massive spike in insulin. This spike sends a signal to your liver to stop burning fat and start storing it. If you're struggling with liver belly or weight gain around your midsection, these tropical treats might be the hidden cause. And finally, we have the most deceptive of all, commercial no-pulp fruit juice. Even if the bottle says 100% pure or no sugar added, it is a disaster for senior liver health. Why? Because the manufacturer has removed the fiber brake. Fiber is the only thing that slows down the absorption of sugar. When you drink a glass of orange juice, you're consuming the sugar of 4 or 5 oranges in seconds, with zero fiber to slow it down. This creates a metabolic tsunami. Your liver is slammed by a wave of liquid sugar that it can possibly not process for energy, so it has no choice but to store it as fat. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon. We're on a mission to help 1 million seniors reclaim their strength and independence through the power of informed nutrition. Also, tell us in the comments, have you noticed your energy crashing after your morning fruit or juice? We read every comment.
Now that we've cleared the danger fruits out of your kitchen, let's talk about the 3 miracle fruits that act as a restorative tonic for your liver. The first and most powerful is the wild blueberry. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins. In 2026, clinical trials have shown that these specific compounds act like security guards for your liver cells. When you consume blueberries, these antioxidants create a protective shield that prevents the oxidative stress caused by toxins and pollutants from damaging your liver tissue. More importantly, for seniors, blueberries have been shown to inhibit the growth of scar tissue in the liver, a process known as fibrosis. By adding just half a cup of these to your breakfast, you aren't just eating fruit, you are sending a repair crew to fix the cellular wear and tear that has accumulated over the decades. Next on our list is the tart cherry. If you've watched our previous videos on joint health, you know that tart cherries are famous for lowering uric acid. But what happens in the joints starts in the liver. The liver is responsible for filtering out the metabolic waste that leads to gout and inflammation. Tart cherries contain a unique combination of polyphenols that stimulate the liver to flush out these acidic crystals more efficiently. By helping your liver clear its trash, you are reducing the overall inflammatory load on your entire body. For those over 60, this is a double victory. You are cleaning your liver while simultaneously lubricating your joints and reducing morning stiffness. It is one of the most effective functional foods you can find in the produce aisle today. Finally, we have the sour miracle, lemons and limes. While technically citrus, their effect on the liver is unique. These fruits are rich in citric acid and a bioflavonoid called naringenin. When you consume fresh lemon or lime juice, especially in a glass of warm water, it triggers your liver to produce more bile. Think of bile as the liver's fat exporting system. It is the liquid that carries processed toxins and excess fat out of the liver and into the intestines for disposal. As we age, our bile production can become sluggish, leading to a congested liver. Lemons act like a natural jumpstart for this process, melting away the fatty deposits we discussed earlier. It is the simplest, most affordable liver cleansing habit you can start today. But wait, there is a very specific timing secret regarding when you eat these fruits. If you eat them at the wrong time, you might actually cancel out their benefits. I'll reveal the best time for liver repair in just a moment. Before you rush to the grocery store, we must address a critical safety warning regarding grapefruit. While it is a powerful liver cleanser, it contains compounds that can dangerously interact with common senior medications, including statins for cholesterol and certain blood pressure drugs. It can cause these medications to build up to toxic levels in your bloodstream, so always check with your doctor before adding grapefruit to your routine. Finally, remember the golden rule of senior nutrition, the fiber break. Whenever you eat fruit, you must eat the whole fruit, skin and all. Fiber acts as a biological speed limit, ensuring that fruit sugar enters your liver slowly and safely. If you remove the fiber by juicing or overprocessing, you turn a healing food into a metabolic poison. Protect your liver by keeping the fiber intact. Your liver has been working tirelessly for over 60 years, and it is remarkably resilient. By simply swapping one danger fruit like those sugary raisins for one repair powerhouse like blueberries, starting tomorrow morning, you give your body the tools it needs to melt away fat and reclaim your energy. Now, I want to hear from you. How old are you, and what is your favorite fruit? Drop a comment below, and our team will reply with a personalized tip for your specific age. If you found this helpful, subscribe and watch our next video on kidney repair. Stay strong, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next one.